Welcome back, everybody. So basically I'm going to teach you how to get into the early access and bypass the whole waitlist thing. So normally for the metas, right, what you have to do, you have to go to the website, join it and everything. I'm going to show you real quick. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this off on my phone right here for you guys, okay? So basically what you would do, you go to the Meta's website, join the waitlist, put in your serial number, right? And then boom, you got access to early access. Well, it probably take like a day to, some people say a week, but they basically send you like a little notification to your phone. Cool, right? So the problem is, a lot of people not getting the notification and getting the early access, right? And to know how you got early access, off the home page, you'll click the settings down here. You will scroll down, and you will see, boom, you got early access, right? And you can turn the stuff on, everything like that. And see, I have it, I can leave it, right? So basically what I did, and this might work for you, this might not work for you, but in a quick, simple thing, right? What I did, you would go to your glasses, right? You go to general, and you want to unpair them, okay? You're going to unpair your glasses, right? After you unpair them, I just close the app and everything, so then it's going to pop up like, well, you got to pair up a new pair of glasses. So after you do that, what you do, well, what I did, once again, just grab your serial number, put it back into the wait list, and then after that, maybe like an hour or two, I really got my early access. So try that. Hopefully that works for you guys. No super quick, super short video. But yeah, man, ronz.y out.